Got the camera look fast, you know. Okay.
Yeah, try to jump and come back to me, son. Yeah, back at the girl in room.
Oh.
And then put my room right after, you know.
Okay, so the kitchen is right down there, so.
Yeah, the kitchen is right down there, so. One set behind him.
Yeah. I'm trying to see the convenience, you know.
Just so go and make yourself comfortable, because you can't fly in a god face.
No, you can't. Yeah. If you look up. So I have $4,000 a year for you. From the person named Julia. Yeah, you know him? Her? From where? Oh man, she from the UK.
Oh.
Mother Teresa. I have a donation for you as well from Queen from the USA towards the infrastructure where you are going with that work. So we have $10,000 a year for you from Queen from the USA.
Thank you, Queen from the...
You try, you really could work on the side and things.
Yeah man, try hustle at night time. But as you see, it don't really have no door right now. We in the place that open up.
Oh.
No door in the body, nothing in the body. Yeah, just push and come in, but I just leave them to the person and God want them back.
Yeah. Prince. Prince, we get a barrel the other day.
Yeah.
You know, and a bag came in there for you as well too. You know, from our extended family from the UK. Yeah, there's a lot of names.
I'm in a bad route, but I'm 90 years of age.
I mean, more some of that route there.
My route strong, you know.
Yeah.
The shake of the back with boss.
Yeah.
I see what's the matter, you know.
I believe you. I believe you.
The route strong back, everything in eye.
Yeah.
And marijuana.
Yeah.
Boy, down in eye. When you think that man, because them want to move with you.
Yeah. Sugar. Well, the dad of 20 question when I go back there. So that's 15,000 there for you.
Thank you very much. I don't know if I tell you thanks, but I'm grateful for everything that you have done. And for my baby, she had the cancer, and I'm glad someone out there that could reach out for me. I never really want to beg, but that's my only choice right now. So I'm grateful for everything what you have done for me.
So we give thanks to Queen from the USA, you know, thank you so much for considering, you know.
Me don't know what them a pre about. A Kino, can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose my faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry.
Prince, we get a barrel the other day. Yeah. You know, and a bag came in there for you as well too. You know, from our extended family from the UK. Yeah, there's a lot of names to call. You have Farah, you have Fraggy, you know, you have Spice, you know, from the Summer League, you know. A lot of them come together and pack a barrel, you know, which is them call themselves, you know, from African family, you know. So then we put some things in the bag here for your shoes and things and clothes. So this is for you from them. So you can tell the African family them say thanks. You know, them are Jamaican, you know, about African Unite. You know, and then the bag is for you. So you can say thank you all our African family, you know?
Yeah, thank you African family. Blessed love. Give thanks every time. Appreciate this way you do for me. Mean me a lot to myself, you know? Yeah. One love. African family.
Alright then, so big up yourself, Prince.
It's so sweet.
Yeah. Mother Teresa, I have a donation for you as well from Queen from the USA towards the infrastructure where you are going with that home. So we have $10,000 a year for you from Queen from the USA.
Thank you, Queen from the USA. Many blessings, many thanks. It took a while, but we started today, so we see it. All of my extended family, one love, one team.
Alright, and so we give thanks to Queen from the USA. Thank you so much for the support. God bless you.
Ali come tell me. So I like Ali I tell Panya? No. Boy, I come now go feed bed. Princess, right, where take bed from? I take the bed from you today. It's too hot. So what go on it? I mean.
Prince. Yes, a woman come on the bed now. That's a go on Princess. Baby, how are now?
I'm out of yourself. Yes, the princess I say no. Don't me with you. I just give him a big bowl of porridge.
Yeah.
And him drinking and I say, one more? Yeah, I say, good God, man, yeah, manager more belly full up.
You have space, man, you have room left. So we say, all the bed are going, compatible. Yeah. As baby missing, right? Yeah. They never know mother's call her, man, and tell her what time to come over. The princess or everything?
Well, everything alright, you know. We give thanks to God we just stay there, go and use it up.
Can't complain. So you have some foundation and stuff in there?
I try to make you back up the girl in room.
Oh, so you try to have a 2 room in there?
Yeah.
I can't see.
I can't go look, man.
Well, I'm so happy. The camera love fast, you know. Okay.
I try to jump and go back to me, son. I'm back up the girl in room.
Oh.
And then put my room right after, you know.
Okay, so the kitchen is right down there, so?
Yeah, the kitchen is right down there, so. One set and thing.
Yeah. You can see the convenience, you know?
So I make yourself comfortable because you can't fly in a God face.
No, you can't. I'm like, if I say you try, I'm like the try where you try, you know? Like the effort we have put in. And lots of people then been touched by a situation, you know, because they never know people really still go through them type of struggle that see them here right now. Which is, you know.
Don't know, we have to just go and roll out and pray to Almighty God, isn't it? Can't fly in the face.
So when the rainfall come through that, so? Come in through that, so?
The leaks still in the really, the zinc them not really up, you know? Yeah. But all we do, we just try to, the baby them not get no wet.
Yeah.
So, throw chop all in power, we can't throw pan and.
So, how is that? One space this or two? This
This are the little girl.
okay. Oh.
Just go and try if you say we can turn up the little thing.
Yeah. So you put another bed there, so two of them.
Yeah, two of them. I get another bed to try and get another bed for them.
And put right there, so.
Yeah, that's how I'm trying to extend, you know?
Right, the effort we have put out still. So when them start them build this first and then put this in here after.
Yeah, because through all the whole of the house that drop down. Whenever I want to go away,
And then
one
drop
house
down.
that it go drop down upon them, you know? I just go and build it round it first. And then I take a little time and go build it also.
That's why they use them board for catch it up.
Yeah. And they up like this. So I make myself come back to it, you know, later can come. God willing.
Yeah, by God willing, no better will come. You know, once you keep trying, God you can see you trying. You know, once you keep trying, better will come. And you put your bathroom or something. Once you keep trying, because you try do a little work on the side and things.
Yeah, man, outside, try outside night time. But as you see, I really have no door right now. We in the place that open up.
Oh.
I just push them coming, but I just leave them to the person and try to make them go.
Yeah. So at night time you just lead it up on the thing. At 2 before she don't want to keep going.
No, watch it now. The back door there now, I just put it there for temporary in case if anything and them have to run through. But I want the front door and the door. You understand?
And the front door, nothing there on the front door.
No, we just lean up, we just lean it up.
Oh, we front door, catch up.
So nobody not enter from the front and most from the back. It have to be one way in, one way out.
You know, by the hands of the Almighty, you know, we got viewers looking in and really them see the struggle and them see the need, you know. So in any way at all we can get any form of help here, we can help out a situation where we can make sure some of the girls them more secure because you know young female them.
That's why I have to really keep them side of me. I treat them a girl. They really put them on the back and convenience to run. Although when the rain fall, the whole place leak also.
Yeah, as I can see.
We get little thing, you know.
Yeah.
Just throw them on the top of the sleep halfway.
Free time being.
Yeah.
As I can see. Like, the struggle is really real, you know.
We really want to make them go get wet because when they make them wet, you know, say, the worst part like that. Whole place cool at night, you know, but we have to just throw sheet and come up.
Yeah, like still rough. So that means when you know that you have to make sure somebody there here because true, you know, I'm not doing
Yeah, the door in the corner.
and I do another right size that as well too.
No, we just make it so we must can get one like a small bathroom door them.
Yeah.
We just put it there so in there so they just have to really be my room still, you know.
Yeah.
I never really can my room come from there so
Okay.
I want my door for always be beside
And then after them do
Yeah, so for them door the right or so. If anything on the broke door, we broke room for come in, then we can just, you know, we can just peep and watch you out.
Yeah. Well, so why some people always complain about for them life and them realize people really go through worse than what them really think, you know?
Yeah, so happy said we because the greatest part in our life, you know. They really make no trouble me, you know.
Yeah,
We have life that are the greatest, you understand? We hardly can find food, but we still have to give thanks because a life given to us, so we are going to.
True.
Although I know my ask help when we get it, but you don't know sometimes.
If I have faith, you know things will change, you know.
Yeah, man.
Situation will change. Or she named faith.
Yes, faith.
See there, so you have a youth named faith. I never give up and there must be a reason why I'm here because the program that we're doing we try to help anybody we can help, you know, as much as we can. So while I'm here we must can get some fun.
Then bed even broke a black me you land
and hold it up.
And hold it all up when I did big football to just get them say wow sleep on it so till you know.
Yeah.
I don't know more time. They really have it so now I really make him there. walk and we have to tend to the house. From brother there and we're there, but it just try to happen.
And make things possible. I can go outside because here kind of warm. Can I have one donation? We look one as well.
Princess, you have to
I yesterday Omar did I try catch it up, you know? We'll have look at cement and try to watch out them can't watch out.
Prince. Yeah man, a smiley.
Smiley?
No. Why me I tell you think him nice?
The Prince want more porridge. I make it stay for later man. Can't drink off everything right now.
By church we're going to get one big bowl. Keep all the nice sing some of them. Make it time please to bring chicken. But they them say no sir Prince, that for really.
Yeah.
Video.
Well, Prince, I'm going to tell you say we get a radio for you. You know, where you can listen. Because you say you don't want a TV, you know, but we get something where you can listen to for the time being. Yeah, we have a radio right at the fear. Yeah, we did not hold it. See a radio there. I hear this. Hold it by the angle there, so.
Well, say I sing for you and baby, I know.
So I hear a radio that way you can go and play it. You can go and play to music, you know.
Every song play upon that a baby name I call.
Yeah, that's how I go on. Alright then. So you know, Blessed Love, they said one bite, you know, with the radio inside it. And it's been there for like probably a couple months now. You know, because we never see who forget it. You know, and I guess they put down for the right reason. You know, and you see it come to the right person. You know, because you can't really see, but at least you can hear and see what I want. Like, they don't want a TV, so. Yeah, so I guess the radio will be the right thing for them. I want to give thanks for Blessed Love, you know, from the UK with the sender radio, you know, because it's been there for a while, so you can thank Blessed Love.
Alright, thank you, Blessed Love. Give my brother a look at radio that him can continue sing. I always have sing more baby. So I'm grateful for everybody who watches this program and can go out for it and do whatever with them can, who can, maybe still give thanks anyway.
Yeah.
You understand? And they are look after the brothers anyway.
Prince, my tell Blessed Love, thank you. Say Blessed Love, thank you.
Thank you.
Blessed love.
Blessed Love.
Say blessed love.
I wish I had a rough you up. I hear a big that. Now, so I have a donation for him as well too. Yeah. So I have a money for you as well too. You hear, Prince?
I want something to sound call and say, you sound. Huh? You so give him something? Tell him to come for? Yeah. Him sick, me just bring him from doctor. Get the money the right time, can buy medication.
So we get $5,000 for you here, Prince. From unknown from the USA, they want to be unknown as unknown, right? So Princess, $5,000. $5,000 a year from unknown, so you can count it. This is 5,
2, 3, 4, 5.
From unknown.
Thank you very much. Unknown. From the US.
The Prince, you can say unknown, thank you.
Say unknown. Unknown. Unknown.
Yeah man, we also have a donation for you as well to Princess for your daughter, the big kid that you want to go to the doctor, that we talk about medication and things. So someone here please mention a donation towards that as well, where you can help out the situation towards your daughter. So we have $15,000 a year for you from Queen from the USA, you know, send $15,000 towards your daughter whenever she want to go to the doctor. So that's $15,000 there for you.
Thank you very much. I don't know if I tell you thanks, but I'm grateful for everything that you have done. And for my baby, she had the cancer, and I'm glad someone out there that and could reach out for me. I never really want to beg, but that's my only choice right now. So I'm grateful for everything that you have done.
So this thanks to Queen from the USA, you know, thank you so much for considering, you know, I don't say the situation still for a lot of people see me. Most of them might not know the position, but they can try to help, but them still consider when they can try and help you in any way they can, you know. So you have to just go on with the faith like what you've been doing, go and pray, see how me, because the we get some form of help, no matter how small it is.
I'm grateful for it.
I will see the situation and realize it's really touching, and it's really deep. So in any way we can, we here where we try to make it work, and same more the extended family, try to make it work. So if anything come up, see me, we definitely reach out and make it work, see me, Let's go on with the faith, see me, we're here for the right reason, that's how we end up at your doorstep, give a helping hand. So just keep prayer, Father God ain't sleeping, let's continue to fight the fight, see me, pray on the children and also the prince, just never give up. So we give time for the radio and Queen from the USA, thank them so much for supporting this program, blessed love, we give thanks to the radio. Alright, so Princess, we'll take on back the road same way, yeah? Alright. So hopefully we can get a door for you, if anyone want to help out a situation, then we can buy a door. That would be nice. I don't quite know the price for that size door there. Joe! Come here, Joe. What size door is this? Because Joe know the size. 30. 32. That's about 30. Yes, that'll be about 30. Yeah. I can't remember the price. How much the price again for one and do it? I can't remember the price, But if anyone want to help out a situation, I can find out the price for the door, and if anyone can contact me, we can help out Princess with that door because she don't have a door. Just catch up this at the minute, and it's still not safe. See me for sharing the kids them. You buy a fear?
Ring.
What you say? Ring, you buy a ring for her?
For the what?
Put on her finger.
Oh, yeah, no, say. Say, Macargano.
My husband, I know.
Yeah.
So, like single Wednesday, don't know,
Yeah.
I like to get my husband now.
Did you take it now? Single Wednesday, done for baby. The man say, I put on the ring. I had a serious one so far, Well serious. Yeah, but him say I buy the ring. I mean, Prince, I don't blame you. Buy the ring, yes.
And I buy your call me, yeah?
And I buy the pressure Princess, Yeah, it's a princess, I'm going to buy the ring, You see me? Let's go take a time and go and save. $1 there. Yeah?
Give him for the money now.
Alright. Yeah, man, tell you, if anyone want to reach out and help out Princess for that door, as I'm saying, you can contact me so she can get that door away. She can help out, that's more convenient. Yeah, so Princess, we keep you in the loop, yeah? Yeah, man, so you can thank them again.
Alright, thank you very much, everybody, for what you have done for me. And may the good Lord bless you and keep you. Thank you again.
Alright, yeah, that's right.
Thank you. Yeah.
Max. Come here, man.
Alright, thank you, everybody.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
What go on, my brother?
Coming up.
Long time don't see him. Long time, no fan when I want to see you. You never get the vision. You get the vision? Yeah. Don't worry, you don't get the vision?
Yes.
You get the vision? What the vision say?
The wise.
You're wise.
That's what the harm that I do. And what's that amount?
Well, everybody know them one of the type of
Yeah.
why them know them one of the
Yes. I've been looking for you for the longest while, though, Albert.
Why? Couple of people really good. Dear bad now, you know.
Vegetable?
Dear no bad. You can't buy it. $150 a pound of cabbage. Just factory.
And the pop chow?
Factory deal too.
Dear.
Carrot.
And what?
If you always help me with $5 grand.
Yes, everything good.
Me not have nothing.
In sell out, you know.
I'm going to say $5 grand. Supply and deal to me. Yeah.
I'm going to help you out. Albert, I'm going to help you out. Somebody going to help you out now.
Otherwise, it may be hard money right now. We get the field. Got market right now.
Yeah.
What more can we do tomorrow?
No, man, for you. Let me give you something for you.
Oh,
Somebody send something for you. Yeah, no, someone said, look, me have some money here for you. Right here, somebody send that for you. So me I look for you a long time, now I wait for you to come by. Yeah. Fear nice that I mean. Brother fear no. You're one of this thing. I have $4,000 a year for you. No. So you gotta tell the person thanks. The person named Julia. Yeah. If you look up. So I have $4,000 a year for you. From the person named Julia. Yeah, you know him? Her? From where?
same thing at home.
Oh man, she from the UK.
Oh,
So you know this Julia. There's many Julia, but not this Julia.
all right.
This Julia is our Julia. Right?
No, me too.
Yeah, she knows she watch it on the she see on her TV.
Yeah,
And it's like, oh, I like that man.
yeah, man.
You know, so we have $4,000 a year for you. Right? So here, this is for you. $4,000 a day for you.
You're gonna talk to Julia now.
So
What me have to tell you?
let's tell Julia thanks. So Julia, thank you.
Julia, thanks.
Yeah. So
Jesus, you go. I'm going to go back to tell you that I'm going to buy this car.
yeah, buy a Tesla.
Think up. Let me see you tomorrow. No?
Yeah man, you might you'll see me tomorrow. I'm there tomorrow.
There tomorrow.
Let me see you tomorrow.
Yeah man.
Car better make some things for you. Tonic.
Tonic? What?
I'm in a bad route, but I'm 90 years of age.
I hear me, more some other route there.
My route strong, you know.
Yeah.
The shake of the back with boss.
Yeah.
I see what's the matter, you know.
I believe you. I believe
See the
you.
route strong back, everything in eye.
Yeah.
And marijuana.
Yeah.
Boy, down in eye. When you drink that man, you call them one move with it.
Yeah. Trouble.
Trouble in the town. You know I do it now.
Mm-hmm.
Just send me go to market to buy this stuff.
Yeah man, buy your stuff man. Julia Senegal market man.
Yeah.
So you can
Tell
thank
him
you.
some I want this thing, I want it. I want
It's
six
a lady.
Is that lady?
Not no one place, you know.
Yeah, so you want to see her.
Yeah man, they call me one.
So when you come Jamaica, we make you see her. Yeah,
No
man.
one in chopstick tomorrow.
Yeah man, pass through tomorrow.
I can't compete.
Yeah man. So take care then.
Good.
Why she not buying no clothes?
Take it easy, General.
All right.
Alright.
close. Watch out now. You see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.